What kind of prices can I expect to pay for Shopify POS? There is a good probability that you are familiar with the point of sale system provided by Shopify if you run a retail establishment. Nevertheless, what exactly is it? How much does it set you back? Don't stop watching if you want to find out. The Shopify POS is a point of sale system that gives you the ability to sell your wares directly to customers. Store proprietors who like to offer their wares in person, as well as online, will find this to be an excellent choice among the available alternatives. You are able to process payments, keep track of inventory, and handle orders all from inside the same location when you use the point-of-sale software provided by Shopify. Simply follow the link provided further down the description below to receive an estimate of the costs specific to you. The Shopify Lite plan and the Shopify Pro plan are the two distinct varieties of point-of-sale software that are offered by Shopify. The Shopify Lite plan is a starter package that comes standard with all paid Shopify plans. It includes several fundamental capabilities, including the capacity to monitor inventory and process credit card payments. The Pro Shopify POS plan does have a small monthly fee, but it allows for unlimited cash registers and includes all of the features of the Lite plan, in addition to additional features such as unlimited store staff, smart inventory management, staff roles and permissions, and in-store analytics. This plan is only available to merchants who have an existing Shopify store. The Shopify point of sale is an excellent choice for merchants who wish to sell their wares in person as well as online. You'll be able to handle orders, collect payments, and keep track of inventory all from inside the same centralized location when you use Shopify POS. Simply use the link provided below to start a conversation with a knowledgeable consultant about which of our plans best suits your needs.